So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 1 perspective, that is magnetic force between two balls. And in the Earth, sea 137 Turkey discovered a special form of magnetic force between two balls. That is, if they are put in his new basket, Rick has an empty basket. That basket is at the position I, and Morty has M balls and needs to distribute the balls into baskets such that the minimum magnetic force between any two balls is maximum. And Rick stated that the magnetic force between two different balls at position x and y is modulus of x minus y, and we have to return the integer of the position and the integer m. Okay, we'll be given the integer at the position and the integer m. We have to return the required force. For example, we have the baskets are placed at the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and we need to place 3 balls. So we can place the balls at the places of baskets 1, 4, and 7. So we'll be having we cannot achieve a larger minimum magnetic force than 3. Okay, so my answer comes out to be 3. For this, it's again a binary search question. For this, we'll be having answer that will be initialized to -1. In 10, that'll be equal to the position dot length, and then I'll be sorting the position. Where arrays dot sort position. Okay, and then I'll be having my left will be equal to 1. That is the first place, and my right boundary will be equal to uh, right will be equal to int my seal value of position n minus 1 divided by m minus yeah n minus 1.0. Okay, and then we'll be using the while loop while left is less than or equal to right. What I'll be doing is I'll be calculating my bit, that will be equal to left plus right, right shifting it to by one place. Then I'll be saying that if we can place balls at that particular distance, so we'll be passing mid position array and my that is the number of balls we need to place, and then we'll be checking that if this is possible, I'll be setting my answer equal to mid, and I'll be updating my left equal to mid plus 1. Else what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my right equal to mid minus 1. Okay, and at the end I have to return answer. Now I'll be writing another function, that is private boolean can place ball. Here I'll be having the distances, I'll be having the position array and the number of balls which I need to place. Then I'll be having the last position as which I have placed the ball, so that will be for 0, and the count. Let's have currently placed one ball entered, and for and I equal to 1, I less than for slot length, and I and count is less than n I plus plus. Okay, then I'll be having my current, that will be to the position 0. And then what I'll be checking is if my current minus last is greater than the distance, I'll be updating my count firstly, and then I'll be updating my current. Okay, sorry, last equal to current, and at the end I'll be returning if my count is equal to m. Okay, now let's give it a run. That means that I can place m balls at least. Oh, okay, so it gives me a wrong answer. Output comes out to be -1. Uh, okay, so last is equal to current. Current minus is greater than or equal to x. Now let's give it a run. Oh, my bad. Position I. And now let's give it a run again. Yeah, and accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, okay, yeah. And works totally fine. Okay. So this was really, thank you for watching.